Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the renal physiology and in renal physiology we will talk about function of the renal system. As every student know that what is the function of renal system. Uh, we know that renal system is mainly help in excretory system, but three other functions of renal system is also present. See here, renal function is divided into four categories. First, renal function, main function is the excretory function. uh, it means our nephron and our kidney helps in excretory function, like urea, creatinine and other toxic substance removed from the body. And the second one function is regulatory function. So what is regulatory function? Regulatory function, like it helps in the water balance and electrolyte balance, like acid base balance, and any very important function of the regulatory function of the kidney is its help in erythropoiesis. What is how erythropoiesis occur? Erythropoiesis occur by the help of enzyme erythropoietin. And how erythropoietin is secreted? Erythropoietin is secreted by the peritubular capillaries of the kidney. So, how uh, peritubular capillaries synthesize the erythropoietin? It is a mechanism. In the peritubular capillary, endothelial is present, and in the nucleus, the gene is present which is responsible for erythropoietin synthesis. But here is a receptor present which is oxygen receptor. So when RBC are more in the our body fluid, more and more RBC reach here, and when RBC reach here, then it get oxygen, and when it get oxygen, this receptor get oxygen, then it inhibits the erythropoietin gene. So erythropoietin does not secrete erythropoietin. But when RBC level is low in blood, so less RBC reach here, and oxygen amount is less. So this receptor cannot bind with oxygen. So when this cannot bind with oxygen, they cannot inhibit the gene present in the nucleus. So this erythropoietin synthesis gene become active and secrete erythropoietin, and this erythropoietin go to the bone marrow and erythropoiesis occur. So it is the very main regulatory function of the kidney. And electrolyte balance, like sodium, potassium, calcium, bicarbonate ion and chlorine, all it is regulated by the kidney. And endocrine function, endocrine function, actually erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is a hormone. So erythropoietin is under the endocrine function of the kidney. It is not the regulatory function of the kidney. Regulatory function of the kidney is water balance, electrolyte balance, acid base balance. And fourth function of the kidney is metabolic function. What is metabolic function? Like you know that in PCT, alpha 1 hydroxylase enzyme is present. Alpha 1 hydroxylase enzyme is stimulated by the parathyroid hormone or low calcium level. So when this enzyme is activated, then it can convert 25 hydroxyl cholecalciferol into 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol. It is the active form of the vitamin D. It is the metabolic function of kidney. And one another metabolic function of the kidney also helps in the gluconeogenesis. When filtration occur in glomerulus, then insulin, it is filtered by the glomerular capillaries and reach to the PCT, and PCT absorbed this insulin, and here the gluconeogenesis occur. So new glucose formation also occur in the kidney. So these are the function of the renal system. And We know that when we take drug, then it also excrete by the kidney. So how drug excrete by the kidney? We know that uh, urine is a water soluble or hydrophilic molecule. So all the drugs, all or almost drug are hydrophobic. But how these hydrophobic drugs soluble become soluble in water and excrete by the kidney? So in the liver, hepatocyte is present. Hepatocyte convert the lipid soluble molecule into water soluble molecule. This occur in two ways. Number one, lipid soluble molecule is a non-polar molecule. So hepatocyte add any polar molecule in the lipid soluble molecule, so it become water soluble and polar molecule. uh, it is called the conjugation reaction, and or also called the biotransformation reaction. By the biotransformation reaction, lipid soluble molecule convert into the water soluble molecule, and when it convert into the water soluble molecule, it can easily excrete by the kidney. And another reaction which occur in the hepatocyte, it is the same as biotransformation one reaction, but here lipid molecule, here polar molecule add with lipid soluble molecules, so it become water soluble. But another form is uh, lipid so in lipid soluble molecules some ionic bonds or ionic electrolytes is present. So in this reaction, these electrolytes or charged molecule become absorbed. Hepatocyte cut this molecule, so it become polar and become water soluble. So it excrete by the easily excrete by the kidney. So it is also water soluble, and it is called biotransformation 2 reaction. So thank you.